It's been forever since I did a voiceover. But yeah, I'm back with another video, and today's video is going to be me doing a full face using some of my Boxy Charm products that I did get in, and also just using some new products in general that I've never used before, which are new to me but may not necessarily be new to the market. So yeah, stay tuned, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, let's get into it. So here I'm just going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, and I just basically did my eyebrows off camera, but I did my normal concealer underneath that. But then on my eyelids I did put the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer. And now I'm going in with the Prestige palette that I got from Boxy Charm, and I'm just going to be using a dark brown and then the nude shade in that palette. But yeah, you'll see me just go ahead and blend out the brown shade and then go in with my finger and just place the nude shade all over my eyelid. Okay, so here I did go in with a little bit more of that Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer, just so that it would be more pigmented when I went in with the nude shade. Off camera, and now I'm going in with the Tarte Face Tape foundation, which I've never used this before. It's not new, but I've never used it. As you can see, the shade is a little bit lighter, or maybe a lot lighter than my shade. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be going to get my right shade, but for now we just made it work. We're just gonna be blending that out with a Real Techniques brush, and I do use all brushes in this video because I wanted full coverage and I wanted to see how all the new products do with a full coverage routine. So yeah, don't worry about the shade, okay? It's gonna all come together at the end and you'll see that. So I went in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and light neutral, and I applied that to all the high points of my face, and I'm just going in with a concealer brush and I'm just going to blend that out. Okay, so on to cream contour. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick in the shade Walnut, and this is what I would normally use on a normal day for my everyday routine. Yeah, so you'll just see me place this on the perimeter of my face and then blend that out. time to set the face with powder. So I'm going in here with my Laura Mercier translucent powder for my concealer, and then I will be using the new Ace Beauty contour palette that I got in Boxy Charm to set my contour with. Alright, so as y'all can see, that kind of brought some color back to my face. And now I'm just going over the rest of my face with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. And I'm just taking that on a big powder brush and just dusting away any excess translucent powder or bronzer that may have been on my face. Sorry, my baby wants to say something. Hi. Anyways, yeah, so that's what I'm doing, just setting the rest of my face, and then going in with blush. And I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio here, and I'm just taking that on my cheeks, a little on my nose, and my forehead, I think. So I'm going in with my highlighter by Ofra in Rodeo Drive, and I'm just placing that everywhere I put concealer, on the high points of my face. And yeah, that will conclude the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please, if you have any questions, leave them down below. All the products will be listed in the description box, and also the link to my website if you guys would like to shop with me. I am wearing the lashes in the style 21 here. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace.